Hello lovelies, how you all doing today? So this is the third video of the day. We're on a roll here. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. So I got this new bag. I showed this in the previous haul from Shein. So I'm just going to be putting some bits in here. Like, it's a good bag when I go into the city centre and I just want to like strap it over me and I'm going shopping to get groceries, and I don't want a handbag this size, because this is what I've been carrying around with me. Don't want a handbag that size. So we're just going to go inside the bag. I'm going to take out what we're exchanging over. So we've got my purse. I know you guys call them wallets in the US. It's my Louis Vuitton purse. So I'm not going to show you what's inside because it's a bit personal. So this is the bag. I'll show you the inside of the bag though. I didn't do that in the last video. There's literally nothing to it. It's canvas, but it feels like suede as well. There's no pockets in it or anything like that, I don't think. Oh, there's one pocket. And this bag feels absolutely cheap as anything. But anyway, I'm going to put the purse in. I'll probably only get autumn out of it. I mean, I did buy it for autumn, but I'll probably only get that out of it and then I'll have to throw it. I'll probably only get a few weeks out of it, actually. Right, I'll put my Aura Gel in there as well. So that's the Aura Gel Extra Strength. In case I get toothache again, that can go in there. I've got my glasses here. These are my reading glasses. They can go in there. For the most part, I use distance. Like when I go to my mum's, like because the TV is quite far away, I can't see. Well, I can see the TV, but I can't. Like if there's subtitles or anything on it, I can't read them. So I go to my mum's with my distance glasses, and I don't need my reading glasses as well. So, but I take them everywhere with me anyway. Right, I'm going to see what's in the other section. Oh, there's some tissues here. They always come in handy, don't they? Let's put the tissues in. I've got some lens cleaner here, but yeah, we'll put it in because there is room. It's going to be like a Mary Poppins bag. It's a small bag, but it fits everything in it, like the kitchen sink. Oh, this is the lipstick I got a while back. So it's Technique Cloud Peptide Lip Oil, and it reminds me of the Too Faced ones. It was on sale in Body Care in the UK. They've closed down now. I think it's about 50p. So that one can go in the little pocket. And I'm sure my MAC Whirl lipstick was in here as well. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh, my ear pods. They're definitely going in. Yeah, we've got my MAC Whirl. So when this comes off, I can put this on. This is a really, really nice lipstick. Can you see how well that goes? And it's probably practically the same shade as the one I've got on anyway. Right, and I've got some Lansoprazole here as well, so I'll put them in. So Lansoprazole is what I take for silent reflux. But I think my medication is going to be changing over. I'm only having one Lansoprazole once a day, and it's not working. So I've asked for them to change it to a Meprazole, and you can take that twice a day. So I've asked them for that, and my speech and language therapist has said, have I tried Gaviscon Advance? And I said no. I said, would the doctor prescribe that? And she said, no, they don't normally prescribe. And I said, the thing is, I'm on universal credit and I can't afford it. And I said, how long would a bottle last? I said, would I get a full month out of it? And she said, no, you'd be lucky to get 2 weeks out of it because you take it 4 times a day. So she's asking my doctor to prescribe it for 3 months. Whether they'll do that, I don't know, because it's an over-the-counter medication. So that's where I'm at with the speech and language therapist. I will talk about that more in the video though going forward, I think. Like I'll do a health update or something like that. I'll let you know if the doctors prescribe me the medication that the speech and language therapists have asked for. And just let you know how I'm getting on with the speech and language therapist, because I need to do vocal exercises with her going forward. So I'll let you know about all that. I think that's it for the handbag. I do have some gloves in here, but I don't feel like it's glove weather yet. Yeah, I do have some gloves in here, but I don't feel like it's glove weather yet. Right, so hang on. Right, so that's what it looks like. That's the inside of it. You can only really see my purse sticking out. But yeah, that's what it looks like. We will put it on. I mean, it could be longer, to be honest. And then I shall show you. I'll pull this whoops. This tripod wants to do its own thing. And that's what it looks like. I'm sure you're getting to see it. So it's a crossbody bag. I mean, the strap isn't the most sturdiest, but I think it was only a few pounds. I'd need to look at the order. I think it was only like no more than £5. Yeah, so it was no more than £5. So I do like it. I was just a little bit like, where's the rest of it? But I mean, it's bigger than some of my other bags. I've got a Michael Kors bag, and that's very, very tiny. So I would get more things in this if I wanted it. But yeah, I mean, it's really, really nice for fall, I think. And go nice with the jumpers. It will go nice with all the fall jumpers I tend to wear around this time of year. Sorry guys, I heard a noise. Got a long coat and the Ugg boots. It's just making me think of fall and winter, but not too much winter, definitely fall, because that's when I tend to wear my Ugg boots. But my Ugg boots are kind of like a grey. They're not those chestnut colour. Anyway guys, I'm rambling. Let's end this video here. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you all in the next one.